Welcome back to the channel. Today I picked up a BMW 2015 235i. Now this was another marketplace find, so she's got some problems, but today our goal is to get this thing fixed up and I want to see this thing back on the road. It was at a local shop and it had some problems. So quick story about this car: it was driving good, had a drivetrain malfunction. They brought it in, thought it was a high pressure fuel pump, fixed the high pressure fuel pump, still had problems. Then they found the DME connector was corroded, so this car might need a DME. Yeah, that's really about all we know. It has 140,000 miles. Actually, a pretty clean car. If you guys want to know what I paid for this from Facebook Marketplace, watch the end of the video. Yeah, let's just take a look at this thing. Inside, crazy clean for 140,000 miles. Outside does have some hail damage. Not ideal, not the end of the world. Does have a cracked windshield on the passenger side. So yeah, we got it towed here at SPEEDhaus. It's been sitting, and we're gonna try and fix it. So hopefully this doesn't cost too much to fix. First thing we need to do, obviously, is get the scanner out, read codes, figure out what's really wrong with this thing. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. We've never had a M235 on the channel. It has one of the best M55 motors that they made. So I'm excited. Getting ready to scan this thing. We got the battery tender out, just in case we have to code, which I'm sure we do. Got the autel out, unplug her in, see what we got. It definitely has a bunch of DME codes. Communication not possible, so we got a bunch of other stuff popping up because it's pissed off. So that's good and bad. Hopefully we can reprogram the DME. All right, so right now the car's coding. It's at like 20%. Hopefully she makes it to 100. Keying the car on. It's also got yellow DRLs. Not quite sure how to feel about it. Let me know what you guys would do in the comments below. Keep the yellow, go back to white. Gosh, I hope this works. Okay, so unfortunately the DME did not code properly. It failed. So luckily for us here at SPEEDhaus, we have another DME. Intake. Wow, here's the DME. I wonder if, where's this water corrosion at? Hard to tell. I mean, looks pretty good to me. So,
just laying around.
Yeah.
We stole it out of another client, but not really.
James is always hoarding spare parts, so thankfully he had a F30 DME, which works in this car, and spent the last 5 hours taking the intake manifold off and swapping the DME.
Don't say that, they're gonna be in the comments at you.
It felt like 5 hours?
I bet that it'd take you an hour. Also,
okay.
A smoke break.
A smoke break? You smoke now?
Yeah, smoking that candy.
So now I'm gonna get back on the autel, and there's a function on there to replace DME. We don't really think it's gonna work, but figured it's worth a try before we send it off. So yeah, fingers crossed, hopefully this works. I'm gonna get the autel out and see if it will code to the car.
Is that thing recording how much you were crying about this?
You do probably like
yeah.
in a day.
Yeah.
Crying my eyes out.
$10 more than you bought it.
$10?
$10 more than you bought it. So you're making money. Really, you're going to be hanging out up here.
$10.
You were going to be hanging out up here anyway.
I made $10 today.
$10 today.
That is $10 you didn't have this morning.
It is.
Think about it.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to start it so you can be outside your first?
Yeah. Go for it.
You ready?
Yeah, let's see what she does.
forget to connect something?
I don't think so.
It didn't work. Did you reset out of station?
No, but it sounds like it's just mix match. Well, DME did not work programming with the Autel, so we're gonna have to send it off. Not ideal, but it's okay. You know, hopefully that fixes most of the stuff with this thing. That's where we're gonna have to leave it for just the first video. We'll come back once we send off the cast, DME, and key. Hopefully it all gets programmed and hook it back up and it works. At least fires up so we can figure out what else it might need and figure out if we actually got a good deal or not. I said I'd mentioned how much I paid. I did pay $5 grand for this thing. So was it a good deal? Don't really know till we fully fix it. Yeah, $5 grand, 2015 M235i. So that's it for this one. Hopefully we get it fixed in the next video, take it for a drive, and see you in the next one.